I got a 8.5 in my reading test. In speaking and writing, I received a 7, and in listening, I received a 7.5. My overall band score is 7.5.
আমার হাতে আছে 7.5 এই রেজাল্টটা কে পাবে আজকে দিস রেজাল্ট গোস টু নাহিয়ান
Thank you,
so
sir.
Nahian, you deserve this result because you worked hard, so congratulations from my heart and congratulations from Liakat's IELTS.
Thank you, sir. I really appreciate this.
Okay, so how are you feeling now at this moment achieving 7.5 in IELTS?
Honestly, I feel really great achieving this such high band. It feels like an achievement for me. The preparation was awesome here. The teachers were really great teachers, and personally I really liked the homework that they used to give us every day. I think it is actually possible to achieve 7.5 in IELTS with dedication and hard work. I took nearly 3 months of preparation at Liakat's. I am grateful to my family, and I am really thankful to all the teachers here at Liakat's, the staff and everybody here. They all contributed to my success. Firstly, I wanted to study at America, but now on second thought, I think that I'm planning to go to China for my MBBS degree. I chose Liakat's because it was really conveniently placed near my house, so the distance from my house to Liakat's center was really short. It was convenient for me. I would like to say that specialty is the preparation, the amount of effort every teacher puts into our assignments or grading our mock scripts. Everything was really important. I would like to thank everybody at Liakat's, especially Liakat sir himself and Sabbir sir, for their unique teaching methods. First of all, there was a vast library of resources to study here from. Especially the teachers encouraged us to study a bit more. Sometimes we were demotivated or we really didn't want to study, but the teachers here helped us study a bit more or motivated us to study a bit more. I got a 8.5 in my reading test. In speaking and writing, I received a 7, and in listening, I received a 7.5. My overall band score is 7.5.